Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English lesson. I'm Maria, and today we're going to learn how to talk about the weather in English. Weather is one of the most common topics in everyday conversations. People often ask about the weather before going to work, school, or traveling. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to ask about the weather, describe different weather conditions, and use simple weather expressions in real conversations.
Hi, everyone. I'm Michael. You're going to use today's lesson almost every day because talking about the weather is a great way to start a conversation. Whether it's sunny, rainy, cloudy, or windy, you'll have the English words you need to describe it.
Let's begin with the most common question. We ask, how's the weather today? You can also ask, what's the weather like? Both questions are natural and very common in English.
Here are two simple answers. It's sunny. It's cloudy. Notice that we begin every answer with it's. This is the pattern we'll use throughout today's lesson.
Let's learn some common weather words. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool, stormy, excellent. These are some of the most useful weather words in English.
Now let's use them in complete sentences. It's sunny today. It's rainy today. It's cloudy today. It's windy today. It's hot today. It's cold today. It's warm today. It's cool today. The pattern is simple. It's plus the weather.
Let's practice together. I'll ask the question and you answer aloud. Ready? How's the weather today? Pause. Maybe you answered, it's sunny. Great. Let's try another one. What's the weather like? Pause. Perhaps you said, it's cloudy. Excellent work.
Sometimes the weather changes during the day. Listen to these examples. It's sunny in the morning. It's hot in the afternoon. It's windy in the evening. It's cool at night. These are natural sentences that people use every day.
Let's learn another useful question. Is it raining? Someone can answer, yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. This is an easy question, an answer pattern that you'll hear often.
Here are more examples. Is it sunny? Yes, it is. Is it cold? No, it isn't. Is it windy? Yes, it is. Is it snowy? No, it isn't. Practice these short answers because they're very useful in conversations.
Now let's connect weather with clothing. If it's cold, I wear a jacket. If it's hot, I wear a t-shirt. If it's rainy, I carry an umbrella. If it's sunny, I wear sunglasses. The weather often helps us decide what to wear.
Here are more examples. It's windy, so I wear a light jacket. It's snowy, so I wear boots. It's hot, so I drink lots of water. It's rainy, so I stay inside. These simple sentences help you talk about your day.
Let's have a conversation. Michael, how's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
That's nice. Are you going to the park?
Yes, I am. It's a beautiful day.
What do you like to do on sunny days?
I like to walk, ride my bicycle, and spend time outside.
That sounds fun.
Maria, what's the weather like today?
It's cloudy and a little windy.
Do you like cloudy weather?
Yes, I do. It's comfortable, and it isn't too hot.
That's true.
Now it's your turn to practice. Answer these questions aloud. How's the weather today? Pause. Is it hot or cold? Pause. Is it sunny or cloudy? Pause. Do you like today's weather? Pause. Wonderful. Speaking out loud will help you become more confident.
Let's learn weather words for different seasons. Summer is usually hot. Winter is usually cold. Spring is often warm. Autumn is usually cool. These are general descriptions, but the weather can be different depending on where you live.
Here are more examples. I like summer because it's sunny. I like winter because it's cool. I enjoy spring because the weather is warm. I like autumn because the air is fresh. Everyone has a favorite season.
Let's practice with likes and dislikes. I like sunny weather. I don't like rainy weather. I love cool evenings. I don't like very hot afternoons. These are easy sentences you can use to talk about your preferences.
Let's review today's grammar. We ask, how's the weather today? Or what's the weather like? We answer with it's. For example, it's sunny. It's rainy. It's windy. It's hot. It's cold. Remember this simple pattern, and you'll be able to talk about the weather with confidence.
Now let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. Sunny. Rainy. Cloudy. Windy. Hot. Cold. Warm. Cool. Stormy. Snowy. Excellent. Now repeat these sentences. It's sunny today. It's raining today. It's windy outside. It's very hot today. It's cold this morning. Great job.
Here's your homework. First, look outside and describe today's weather in English. Second, write 5 sentences using today's vocabulary. Third, ask a family member or friend, how's the weather today, and practice answering in English. The more you practice, the more natural these expressions will become.
You're doing an excellent job. Every lesson gives you more vocabulary and more confidence. Remember, you don't need to speak perfectly. You just need to keep practicing a little every day.
In our next lesson, we'll learn how to talk about seasons and favorite activities. You'll learn to describe what you like to do in summer, winter, spring, and autumn using simple English sentences.
Thanks for learning with us today. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing every day.
Goodbye, everyone. We'll see you in our next English lesson.